Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. This is our enemy. This is isitha to mntomnyama. But ke asiqale video. Amapunu nabelungu had a problem. And the Standard Bank was the only solution. While the world was watching, police dogs eluma abantu abamnyama. I-tear gas ijijelwa kuyingane zabantu abamnyama. Whilst the world was watching, umntomnyama esuswa from inxiwa lakubo, inxiwa lo tatamkhulu, lo khokho, wathathwa wayobekwa endaweni enjengakwaMashu, Soweto, Umlazi, endaweni engekho right, indawo njengoKhayelitsha, indawo njengoPhilip. No dignity, no water, no jobs, no food. Whilst the world was watching umntomnyama crying, kwakukhona institution eyayibhizi yona ibala imali, profiting from the tears of abantu abamnyama. And that institution is uStandard Bank. You have to understand, mntomnyama, ukuthi i-apartheid wasn't just enforced by induku eqhwebanayo kuphela. They needed funding to run i-system. And the funding bayithola from foreign investors e-West, phecelezi e-America nase-England. They used institution enjengo-Standard Bank to fund them. You have to also understand ukuthi i-budget yabo between unyaka 1960 no-1980 it grew from 18 billion to 43 billion. They used leyo mali to fund amaphoyisa, to fund ama-suburbia abo ababehlala kuwona ababefuna ukuthi abe protected, to fund ama-institution anjenge-National Party, which enforced i-apartheid upon abantu abamnyama. Omunye umuntu uzongibuza ukuthi manje wena bhuti omdala, yindaba lento singafundi ngayo esikoleni, yindaba ngabe public knowledge eyaziwa wona wonke umuntu eSouth Africa. Ngizwe kahle ke, ngonyaka 1976, ngonyaka weSoweto uprising, uStandard Bank wenza imali engango-80 million just from inyembezi zabantu abamnyama, just from iscene eyayenzika.